them itty bitty things working out.
Yeah, I think the man is doing fine. He's just fine. I've been watching him now for a while, and he's really moving big. He moves like he used to play hockey. Hey, Franken, ask him if he used to play hockey.
You play hockey?
Tell Batman it was lacrosse, but I can see how he got confused.
A month from now. You're gonna be rich as cream and feeling fine.
Fine already.
Why don't you put some weight on the bar, pussy?
Hey, man. What? You here for a workout?
Maybe.
Great.
Sandro, come on. Let's go.
Make the thighs burn. Good. You see, you can't grow without burning. It's the repetition that defines the muscle. Do it fast, you get the blood into the legs. Come on, just keep the tension in the legs. Yeah. Isn't it much harder?
I think we had something like this at school. I'm not sure. I still got the form down here. Tell me if I'm doing this right. Is that it?
I never do that one.
Say, what is this Batman routine of yours? Is that for concentration or what?
Not really. I think it's funny. It adds a little humor to the workout. You should have seen me last year. I wore a frogman outfit. Everybody was laughing.
Just keep right on talking, Sandro. Remember, they don't judge lip muscles. They judge thighs, they judge legs, they judge backs, but no lips.
Oh, I can't wait until this whole thing is over, man.
Be sure and turn them lights off before you leave.
So what is there? Just one Mr. Something after another?
How about Galaxy? Now, sir, Mr. Galaxy? Listen, I don't care about these titles. But if I win this one, I could make enough money to pay Thorpe all the debts I owe him.
What kind of debts?
He's the one who brought me over here from Austria. He got me a working permit, helped me with the visa, things like that. Anyway, I could pay him back with the money I make from endorsements.
Endorsements, that's kind of like selling your name, isn't it?
Yeah, but it doesn't bother me. You see, names don't mean any more to me than titles.
Man, I've got some relatives who'd argue with you about that.
Terrible sign, isn't it?
No? I like it.
Dear Craig, traditionally, your Uncle Henry has been the Blake family's most notable black sheep. You seem to be coming up fast on the outside. I'll be returning from South Africa in time to attend Amy Walterson's party. I assume you'll be there. Fondest regards, Uncle Al.
Hey, Joe.
Do the 4 steps. You know, 1 year they should do it.
Hello,
Hello,
glad
girl.
to see you.
And don't forget, keep dancing the thighs.
Did you, have a good time with Zoe?
Fine. All right.
You think you'll see her again?
Nope.
Why not?
I don't like being too comfortable. Once you get used to it, it's hard to give up. I'd rather stay hungry.
Hey, Sando, when are you gonna show me what you got?
Is it authentic enough for you back here? What's on your mind?
That's what I came over here to do.
Mom sweat. That rhymes with quick.
It's just that I miss her so much. I feel so bad about what happened at the party. I'm sorry, Joe. Really, I am. Will you put your goddamn dumbbell down on second stage?
Let's go. Why did you come to me? Why didn't you know her?
Because I thought she was going to be here.
Look around. She's not.
Okay, everybody on stage.
Thanks a lot, Joe. That helps me. Thank you.
Listen, buddy, you had her once and you let her go. I got the contest to win here today.
I can't believe you. You really want to win this and you give me this stay hungry horse shit?
I don't know where
can't
she
believe
is.
you.
And even if I did, I still wouldn't tell you.
Why? Because you want it for yourself?
Now you're talking about something you don't know anything about.
Yeah, I do. You know what I think? I think you were testing her, you bastard.
Give us a break here, Blake.
You believed all along she was coming back to you.
Hey, come on now, my boy has a job.
I told you a while back, you can't grow without burning.
Need this shit.
Yeah, you do.
Craig, hey, listen to me. Now, you checked this spa. Nita told me that Mary Tate was going back there to pick up her stuff.
Craig,
Yes, Uncle Albert?
what happens to bodybuilders when they get old?
They die.